Well, the car of the future took flight today. The X2 flying car, there it is, took off in an unmanned test flight in Dubai.
Imagine a world without traffic jams. Picture yourself soaring above congested streets. Your commute transformed into an exhilarating flight. This is the promise of flying cars, a concept that has captivated our imaginations for decades. For years, it remained a distant dream, confined to the realm of science fiction. But today, that dream is taking flight, becoming a tangible reality. The future of transportation is here, and it's looking up. The transition to this new era won't happen overnight. It will require innovation, collaboration, and a shift in our thinking. But the potential benefits are too great to ignore. Flying cars offer a solution to traffic congestion, reduce travel times, and provide faster, more efficient transportation. They have the power to reshape our cities, connect communities, and revolutionize the way we live, work, and explore. The journey towards widespread adoption of flying cars has just begun, and it's a journey filled with exciting possibilities. As we stand at the cusp of this transformative era, one thing is certain: the sky is no longer the limit, it's the starting point. At the forefront of this exciting revolution is the XPeng X2, a cutting-edge flying car that has captured the world's attention with its innovative design and capabilities. Making its global debut in Dubai, a city known for its embrace of innovation and forward-thinking infrastructure, the X2 represents a significant leap towards a future where flying cars are an everyday reality, seamlessly integrating into our urban landscapes. Its sleek design and advanced technology embody the spirit of progress and the boundless possibilities of human ingenuity, pushing the limits of what we thought was possible. The X2 is not just a concept or a prototype. It's a fully functional flying vehicle ready to redefine urban transportation. It has successfully completed numerous test flights, demonstrating its capabilities and bringing us closer to a future where flying cars are a common sight in our skies, revolutionizing the way we commute. XPeng, a leading Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer, has been at the forefront of flying car development, pushing the boundaries of what's possible and making significant strides towards making this technology accessible to the masses, ensuring that the future of mobility is within reach for everyone. The X2 is a testament to their commitment to innovation and their vision of a future where transportation is smarter, faster, and more sustainable, reducing our carbon footprint. This is not just about building flying cars. It's about creating a new dimension of mobility and transforming the way we experience the world around us, opening up new possibilities for urban living and beyond. The XPeng X2 is a marvel of vertical takeoff and landing engineering. Meticulously designed to deliver a seamless and safe flying experience, one of its most impressive features is its vertical takeoff and landing capability. Unlike traditional airplanes, the X2 doesn't need runways. It takes off and lands vertically like a helicopter. This allows for incredible flexibility, enabling it to operate in urban environments where space is limited. The X2's sleek and aerodynamic body is crafted from lightweight yet incredibly strong carbon fiber. This material not only enhances the vehicle's performance but also contributes to its efficiency and range. Powering this futuristic machine is a state-of-the-art electric propulsion system. The X2 produces zero emissions during flight, aligning with the growing need for sustainable transportation solutions. The X2 is equipped with an advanced flight control system that makes it incredibly safe and easy to operate. While the idea of piloting a flying car might seem daunting, XPeng has designed the X2 with user experience in mind. The intuitive controls and autonomous features make flying the X2 accessible even to those without prior flight experience. The advent of flying cars, particularly those like the XPeng X2, has the potential to fundamentally reshape our cities and redefine urban mobility. Imagine a world where our daily commutes are no longer bound by congested roads and traffic lights. With flying cars, we can soar above the gridlock, reaching our destinations quickly and efficiently. This newfound freedom of movement opens up exciting possibilities for urban planning and development. Cities could become more vertical, with skyscrapers reaching for the sky and flying cars seamlessly navigating the airspace between buildings. Residential areas could be located further away from city centers, as commuting time would no longer be a constraint. This would alleviate urban sprawl and allow for more green spaces within cities, creating a healthier and more sustainable living environment. The integration of flying cars into our transportation system could also revolutionize emergency response. Imagine ambulances and police cars taking to the skies, bypassing traffic and reaching their destinations in a fraction of the time. This would save countless lives and improve the efficiency of emergency services. Flying cars could also play a vital role in disaster relief efforts, delivering supplies and providing transportation in areas where traditional infrastructure has been compromised. The potential for flying cars extends beyond just personal and emergency transportation. They could be used for commercial purposes, such as delivering goods and services more efficiently. Imagine a future where packages are delivered directly to your balcony by a flying drone or where taxis provide quick and convenient travel across the city. This would not only enhance convenience but also reduce the environmental impact of traditional delivery and transportation methods. The possibilities are truly endless. As we continue to innovate and develop this technology, the dream of a cityscape filled with flying cars becomes ever closer to reality. The future of urban transportation is indeed bright and full of potential. Section 5, From Skepticism to Acceptance. A familiar tale. The idea of flying cars might seem like a radical concept to some, met with skepticism and doubt. Many people find it hard to imagine a world where cars can soar through the skies, seamlessly navigating urban landscapes. However, it's important to remember that every transformative technology has faced its share of doubters in its early stages. History is filled with examples of groundbreaking ideas that were initially met with resistance and disbelief. When airplanes were first invented, they were seen as nothing more than a novelty or passing fad. People couldn't fathom the idea of machines heavier than air taking flight and carrying passengers across vast distances. People scoffed at the idea of heavier-than-air flight, dismissing it as an impossible dream. The notion of flying seemed to belong to the realm of fantasy rather than reality. But visionaries and pioneers persisted, driven by a belief in the power of innovation and the potential of this revolutionary technology. They worked tirelessly, overcoming numerous challenges and setbacks. Slowly but surely, as airplanes became more reliable and their capabilities were demonstrated, public perception began to shift. People started to see the practical applications and immense possibilities of air travel. What was once deemed impossible became a reality, and air travel transformed the world, connecting people and cultures like never before. The skies, once the domain of birds, became a new frontier for human exploration and connection. The same pattern of skepticism and eventual acceptance can be observed with countless other inventions throughout history. Each new technology faced its own set of challenges and doubters. From the telephone to the internet, groundbreaking technologies often face resistance in their early stages, only to become indispensable parts of our lives later on. These innovations have reshaped the way we communicate, work, and live. The flying car is poised to follow a similar trajectory. As we continue to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible, the flying car may soon become a common sight in our skies, revolutionizing transportation once again. Section 6, A Symphony of Design and Functionality. The XPeng X2 is not just a technological marvel. It's also a testament to the power of design. Its sleek, futuristic aesthetic is both captivating and functional. The X2's aerodynamic form is optimized for efficient flight, minimizing drag and maximizing range. The large panoramic windows offer breathtaking views of the surroundings, enhancing the flying experience. The interior of the X2 is equally impressive. The spacious cabin is designed with passenger comfort in mind, featuring luxurious seating, advanced climate control, and intuitive controls. The absence of traditional controls such as a steering wheel and pedals creates a sense of openness and enhances the feeling of spaciousness. The X2's design is a harmonious blend of form and function, seamlessly integrating advanced technology with an elegant and user-friendly interface. It's a vehicle that not only transports you physically but also elevates the entire transportation experience. Section 7, Navigating the Challenges Ahead. While the future of flying cars is promising, there are still challenges to overcome before they become a ubiquitous part of our daily lives. One of the primary challenges is developing a robust regulatory framework for flying cars. Clear guidelines and safety protocols are essential to ensure the safe and orderly integration of these vehicles into our airspace. Another challenge is infrastructure. Flying cars will require dedicated takeoff and landing zones, as well as charging stations. Cities will need to adapt their infrastructure to accommodate this new mode of transportation. Public acceptance is another crucial factor. People need to feel safe and comfortable with the idea of flying cars sharing the skies with traditional aircraft. Addressing these challenges will require collaboration between governments, regulators, manufacturers, and the public. Open dialogue, public education, and a commitment to innovation are key to unlocking the full potential of flying cars and creating a future where transportation is safer, faster, and more sustainable. Section 8, Embracing the Future of Flight. The XPeng X2 is a glimpse into the future of transportation, a future where flying cars are no longer a figment of our imagination, but a tangible reality. As we stand at the cusp of this exciting era, it's essential to embrace the possibilities and work together to overcome the challenges. The integration of flying cars into our daily lives holds the potential to revolutionize transportation, reshape our cities, and connect us like never before. It's a future worth striving for, a future where the sky is no longer the limit, but the open road ahead.